Good morning, class. Please open your student book to page 103. I'm going to explain to you this grammar focus called formal and informal messages with tell and ask. Okay, so pay attention, take notes if you need to, and then we're going to answer the exercise together. On the first part, it says statements, and statements are sentences or things that we say or anyone says. Okay. The sentence here says, I'm going to miss class tonight. Now, the point of this grammar is to change this sentence and make it a message, make it into a message. Okay, so if someone says, I'm going to miss class tonight, and you need to give this message to another person, you can use these three phrases, and there are others, but we're going to focus on these three that the book is giving us. You can use tell him, you can use could you tell him, or you can use would you tell him. That is optional. You can either use it or not, but it completes the sentence very well. So if you're going to give this message to another person, you use these phrases, and all you have to do is put the phrase and add the sentence in the same way that it was said. So tell him that I'm going to miss class tonight. Could you tell him that I'm going to miss class tonight? Would you tell him that I'm going to miss class tonight? So as you can see, all you have to do is to add this phrase. Now, on the second part, it says requests. Requests are anything that you ask for, something that you need. It's a question. And this question says, could she take a picture of the board? And to give this message when a question was said, you can use these phrases. Ask her, could you ask her, would you ask her? And what you need to do here is you need to make a little change. You need to kind of erase or cross out could she, and you need to add to the verb. So for the first one, ask her, and then you erase this part and just say to take a picture of the board. Second example, could you ask her to take a picture of the board? Or would you ask her to take a picture? It's very important that you erase or cross out could she or the first two words of the question and just add to. Okay? Now, let's do these sentences below of exercise A, and it says unscramble these messages, then compare with a partner. For number one, we have all these words scramble, and we need to unscramble them. Okay, so the first one would be, please tell Harold that the barbecue is on Saturday. Please copy it in your book and complete it. Okay, number two, could you ask Caitlin to call me at 4? Number three, could you tell Mia that the dance performance is tonight? Number 4, would you tell Casey that the picnic is in the park? Number 5, would you ask Micah to meet me at the stadium? Number 6, please ask Garrett to bring the tickets to the rock concert. Okay, now we have finished this exercise and we're going to do a listening now. If you didn't have time to answer them all, just play the video again and respond.
Page 107, Exercise 4, Listening, Online Photo Albums. Madison and Zachary are looking through online photo albums. Listen to their conversation. How have they changed? Write down 3 changes.
What are you looking at, Zachary?
Oh, just one of our online photo albums.
Oh, look, it's our wedding picture.
Yeah, just think, we'll be celebrating our 5th wedding anniversary this month.
Yeah, and I remember we didn't get along so well when we first met. But a year later, we fell in love and got married.
And here's a picture of our honeymoon. Wow, we sure look different now, don't we?
Yes, my hair is much shorter now, and you wore glasses back then. Oh, and look, here's a picture of the day we brought Maggie home from the hospital.
She's so cute. And now we have 2 kids. Who would have guessed?
Yeah, we're just lucky that they look like me.